and welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing ESW Beauty's Raw Juice Cleanse Mask Set. Oh, interesting. Okay. Oh, super cute packaging. Awesome. This one is the kale, spinach, and broccoli apple mask. So it helps with anti-aging and stuff like that, which it says right down below. Like any mask, you would basically just cleanse your face, apply toner, leave the mask on for 15 to 20 minutes, remove the mask, and then gently pat the rest into your face. This is coconut, vanilla bean, strawberry, almond milk, pineapple, kiwi, ginger, pear, activated charcoal, and lemon juice. Interesting. And watermelon, rose water, and grapefruit. So all sorts of different raw styles that you can choose from that are all pure ingredients, organic, so that you know that you're only applying the best products to your face, because your skin is basically like anything that touches your skin, it seeps in, and so you want to make sure that it's only the best products, seep into your skin and into your organs and into your body. So a little bit about their story is that their founder, Elaine Rau, struggled with stomach ulcers for many years and basically learned to live a cleaner lifestyle by drinking healthier, eating raw juices, doing yoga and stuff like that. She also started using clean beauty products that had non-toxic formulas. Everything is vegan, organic, cruelty-free, eco-friendly, and only has clean ingredients. So if you would like to check out more about ESW Beauty, please check out the links below, and you can purchase this set as well as other stuff. And for more product reviews, box openings, and stuff like that, please continue watching, subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you think about these masks, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.